it's Elsie here. Today I am going to make Je-wuk-bok-keum, which is marinated pork. I'm using picnic part. You can use shoulder part as well. This is my husband's favorite. So yeah. First thing first, I'm gonna chop some veggies. Carrots. You can make the shape like so, but up to you. But just slice them like so. It's sweet and spicy. You can use with rice. It's great for lunch, dinner. And some onion. I'm using yellow onion. I'm going to use all of them. Cut half and like slice them like this. You can use any kind of mushroom, but I have this 표고버섯 at home, so I'm going to use it. Thinly slice them, not so thin, so that you can feel the texture. It's so pretty. Green onions. I like green onions. I don't mind. It's yeah, big size. It's only thick, so I'm going to half it to take it off. Oh, my eyes. All of you got. Whoa, break time. Oh, I'm back. My pepper today is really spicy, so I'm going to thinly slice them. If it is too thick when you bite it, it's going to kill you, right? So slice that garlic as well. It's pork picnic, they say, but you can use like a shoulder part, as I said earlier. This is sliced as well. I'll show you. Like very thin layer. You see, like this? These are pretty. Okay. This is 600 grams. This is sufficient for me and my husband. How was it? You know, the pork gets shrink when they are cooked, but I'm going to cut really small, then it will shrink even more. So, and this will do. Okay, into a mixing bowl. I'm going to put my pork here, and I'll come back with my sauce. So into a bowl, I'm going to add some gochujang. So good. Some gochugaru. It was coffee container, but I'm using it to keep my gochugaru. Oh yeah. Some soy sauce. And some salt. Oh, did I tell you salt? Some sugar. Some sugar. Balance, really spicy. You have to make a balance of. And this is pepper, but finely grinded one, not the one that you put in a pasta. It's really finely grinded one. So put a bit of ginger powder. I think pork and ginger get along with very well. Yeah. I know that we sliced the garlic, but I want to put the garlic into the meat so that the meat has that garlic fragrance. MSG. You can use any types of MSG. Mine is veggie MSG, like vegan MSG. It is nice. So I'm going to use that. So great. Okay. Let's cook this. I'm going to heat the pan. Pour a little bit of water because I don't want to use lots of oil. Don't need to raise my calorie here. Okay. Oh, it smells so good already. Wow. Smells good. If you're worried if it's going to be lean, you want more fat, you can use like pork belly. This is the it has some fat, but it's leaner meat than some fat, which is pork belly. You use pork belly if you want some this dish really fatty. Or you can cook as I do, and later on we can add some oil in here, like good oil. Nice oil. My onion, carrots, hot on the trim. I'm taking half of my later on. And some more garlic is optional. If you think this is too much garlic, leave it behind. Okay, chili. I'm gonna put some scallion later on. Oh, so great. Chili powder. Some more gochujang. Some more sugar. And some more soy sauce. Yeah, that's right. And pepper. Finely grinded pepper. I really like spicy food. My husband, not really. He doesn't really enjoy spicy food. He likes it, but he doesn't have a good tolerance. Spice tolerance. There we go. My mom is salivating. Yeah. And the water, evaporate a little bit. Oh, before that, let me add the spring onion. Okay. And mix well. Oh, this looks so good. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Yeah, I think it's done. It's really done. Okay, you see the sauce is like not anymore. There's no sauce anymore, and the sauce is ooey gooey. I think this is time that you have to stop. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Okay. This is great as it is, but if you have some sesame oil, this is great. This is done. Okay, let's go and eat. Lemon water is so good. I wanted to talk about the balance, the life balance that I've been thinking of. I think the life is all about balance. Do you agree? Let's say your life is all about like spicy and 자극적인, hit your dopamine. If it is all about that, can you imagine yourself? And on top of that, would next dopamine be nice? Because it's series of dopamine, endless. What I'm trying to say is, here this Je-wuk-bok-keum is really spicy, but this is like cool and sweet, sour a little bit. This is also like water, but this is really cold water. You see the glasses, so it's cold, so cool down the spiciness. So if there were no such a thing, do you think this will create itself? If I eat it continuously, you will get fed up with it in a short time. Just like when you eat fried chicken, can you imagine yourself without any like Sprite, or while you're eating that fried chicken, you have to drink it so that you can soak down the greasiness, and then you continue to eat more chicken, right? I think in life it's the same. So the balance is the key. And in Korea, it's quite common that if you go out and to meet some new people, let's say there is any like meetup and stuff, and if you join that, I didn't get this question when I was not married, but ever since I got married, I've got this question a lot, like, where's your husband? Why are you here? Like, you're supposed to be with your husband and stuff. Honestly, I've heard that quite often, which means that in Korea, lots of couples are like stop their social activities after getting married. They commit themselves into their marriage. Of course, that's important, but as I said, balance is important. So you still have to grow and learn how the world is going on, right? So in that sense, I was like, I lost my words how to reply to the person asking that, oh, where's your husband, or like you're supposed to be at home and stuff. And a person actually mentioned me that, oh, you're a free soul. Free soul in Korea is like 자유로운 영혼, which is like your soul is like to, I don't know how to interpret, but you're in freedom, which is true. But they said, oh, you're 자유로운 영혼. I don't know in what way that the person said, but I guess obviously she didn't expect that I'm married and I'm joining that activities or social gathering meetup stuff. Well, that really happened to me. Of course that if you work a lot and if you have something to do a lot, then you want to come back home and see your husband or spouse, right? I'm not saying those. I'm saying those people who are saying like you have to fully commit yourself into your marriage once you get married. Why are you being out and meeting new people? I mean, like most of people in Korea, they are getting married in their 30s, but there is some people getting married in their 20s, but not many these days. So let's say for about over 30 years that you get to meet someone and you learn something, you go somewhere and see the world, and you stop just because you are married. I don't understand. And even some people, they think I have some ulterior motive to join that social gatherings or meetup. If it is about like English gathering, if it is about like running crew, then it's about running and it's about English. Of course, there is a benefit of like making new friends and getting to know them, what they're doing and how they do. It's all about like new information you're getting and sharing, and it's like socializing, right? If you're extroverted like me, then why I have to like stop myself and all the things that I do is having that ulterior motive. It doesn't make sense. I believe, and in fact, me and my husband, we both are believing balance is really important. We care each other the most. We are the most important person for both of us, but still we respect our time to be socialized in this society. We get to learn something, we have to see something, right? So it's all about balance, like this and this.